Dog crates market report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global dog crates market size is $1,684.2 million in 2024 and will expand at a CAGR of 7.1% from 2024 to 2031. North America held the major market of more than 40% of the global revenue with a market size of $673.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.3% from 2024 to 2031. Europe held the market of more than 30% of the global revenue with a market size of $505.36 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.6% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific held the market of around 23% of the global revenue with a market size of $387.37 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.1% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America holds the market of more than 5% of the global revenue with a market size of $21 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa held the market of around 2% of the global revenue with a market size of $33.68 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.8% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.